In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to split a large WhatsApp group into smaller groups. Let's get started. This update makes it much easier for group administrators to create separate subgroups for different teams, projects, events, or departments without having to add every member manually. Launch WhatsApp and navigate to the large parent group. Tap the group name at the top of the chat to open the group info screen. Scroll down. Now here you're gonna find the option of create a similar group. Click on that. WhatsApp will automatically create a draft group with the same members already selected. Review the duplicated member list and remove anyone you don't want to include by tapping the X next to their name. You can keep only the members who belong in that specific subgroup. Once you have finished editing the participant list, tap Next, enter a name for your new group such as Project Team A, Marketing Team, or a Sales subgroup, and then tap the check mark to create a new group. If you need multiple subgroups, simply return to the original parent group and repeat the same process. Each time you create a similar group, you can customize the member list to build another dedicated group for a different team or purpose. This allows you to organize conversations more efficiently while keeping the original parent group intact. Keep in mind that each new group starts as a completely separate chat. Messages, photos, videos, documents, and chat history from the original group are not copied into the new subgroup. You'll begin with a fresh conversation while saving time by reusing the existing member list. And that's it. This way you can easily split a large WhatsApp group into smaller groups using the latest update. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.